Hello students. This is botany paper first, unit first, algae. According to the examination board, your exam only on the MCQs, that is multiple choice question based. So we cover the all syllabus within the short period, because your online exam on January's first week. So I have only the 1 month. So in this month we cover all the syllabus, theory as well as practical. So let's start. I shortly explain about the genus Nostoc, and in that which point or which subtopics on that in exam the different questions are asked. So most important is on systematic position or classification. So this Nostoc plant is come under the group algae. Its division is the Cyanophyta. In notes there is write about Cyanophyceae. It is not Phyceae, it is Cyanophyta. Then class Myxophyceae, order Hormigoniales or Oscillatoriales. Its family is the Nostocaceae and genus is the Nostoc. Then it is occurrence, mostly it is present on the terrestrial as well as aquatic habitat. So the question in multiple choice question, it is asked about the habitat. So this Nostoc plant is present on the terrestrial as well as aquatic habitat. Terrestrial matlab on the land and aquatic matlab in the water. So these Nostoc are present on water as well as on land. Then its distribution, it is cosmopolitan species. Then about the colony of Nostoc. So Nostoc is the blue-green algae, or it is prokaryotic algae. The most of MCQs asked on this, the blue-green algae or prokaryotic algae. Then you have to see in the picture of colony of Nostoc. So it is present singly as well as in the group of colonies. I can only focus as that point which are mostly asking for the MCQs questions. So these commonly the mucilaginous masses are present around this Nostoc. You have to see in this picture. यहाँ पे आपको जो साइड में दिख रहा है, that is the mucilus sheath which are present surrounding the Nostoc trichomes. These Nostoc are nothing but the trichome. they जो आप में यहाँ पे rectangle size structure दिख रहे हैं, that is the trichome of the Nostoc. And they are present singly or is in groups. Then third question is or third point is about the Nostoc trichome. So how the trichome is looking, you have to see in this picture. There is the number of cells, the circular shaped cells are present and which are surrounded by the gelatinous sheath. There is the chains of the vegetative cells in the trichome and they are covered by the mucilaginous sheath. And there is at the intercalary position there is a heterocyst is present. You have to see in the picture, in that middle there is the one large cells, that is the heterocyst. So the Nostoc thallus is in the form of elongated filament and it is known as the trichome. जो Nostoc का filament रहता है उसे ही trichome बोलते हैं. In that Nostoc trichome contains different vegetative cells and heterocysts. Vegetative cells are elliptical, oblong shape है, barrel shape रहता है उसका. और these vegetative cells sometimes formed hormones और अकाइनेटिस. उसमें कुछ जो वेजिटेटिव सेल्स में उसमें मॉडिफिकेशन होके हार्मोगोन्स और अकाइनेटिस फॉर्म होती है. इसके बारे में आपको क्वेश्चंस रहते हैं. देन हेटेरोसिस्ट तो मेन पार्ट है इस नॉस्टॉक का। तो हेटेरोसिस्ट इज द लार्जर वेजिटेटिव सेल्स। कहाँ पे प्रेजेंट रहता है? तो इंटर कैलोरी पोजिशन में रहता है। उसकी वॉल है थिक रहती है। जो वेजिटेटिव सेल्स का यदि थिक वॉल है तो दिस are the heterocyst, and these heterocyst is the center for uh, atmospheric nitrogen fixation, and through this heterocyst mostly the vegetative as well as asexual reproduction takes place. तो इसमें हेट्रोसिस्ट में बहुत सारे MCQs पूछे जाते हैं, तो आप अच्छे से पढ़ सकते हो। देन सेल स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ नॉस्टॉक। नॉस्टॉक का स्ट्रक्चर है, यदि हम सिंगल सेल्स वेजिटेटिव सेल्स स्टडी करेंगे तो कैसे सेल रहेगी? उसमें सेल वॉल रहता है, सेल मेम्ब्रेन रहता है। तो सिंगल सेल्स कंटेन डिफरेंट organelles like lamella, endoplasm, then phycocyanin pigments, then nucleus, protoplasm. And these are the different parts of these nostoc cells. Then next important part is the reproduction. So many times different questions are asked on this reproduction. So the mostly in nostoc vegetative and asexual reproduction takes place and sexual reproduction is absent. So vegetative reproduction takes place by fragmentations and asexual reproduction takes place by Hermogonza, Akinetys and Heterocyst. So first of all you have to see about vegetative reproduction. Vegetative reproduction you have to see in this figure. In that the fragment of this trichome will be cut and this fragment will again grow as a trichome. जो पहली नास्टॉक की सेल्स है उसमें कट हो जाता है और जो कटिंग पार्ट है उससे फिर ट्राइकोम डेवलप होता है, दैट इज द फ्रेगमेंटेशन. Then asexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction takes place by the Hermogonials, Akinetys, and third one is the Heterocyst. So what is Hermogonials? Hermogonials is the certain vegetative cells in chains become larger and broader, thicker. Such a chain is called as Hermogonials. It separate to form the new trichomes. यहाँ पे आप ट्राइकोम का स्ट्रक्चर देख रहे हैं, उसमें से एक सेल से वो लार्ज हो जाती है, थिक हो जाती है, एंड द चेन or such a chain is called Hermogonials, and this is again separated and forms the new trichome. Then Akinetys, or which is also called as the orthospore. So Akinetys, in that there is the orthospores is developed, means the resting period or till the favorable condition they will be germinate again a new trichome. In that during the unfavorable condition all trichome cells dies, one or two cells only survives. So these contains reserve food nutrients stored in this cell. So in favorable condition these cells are become larger and thick and they known as Akinetys, and these Akinetys are grow or it till returns in favorable condition they germinated as a new trichome. So this is about the Akinetys. Then heterocyst. So as you seen in the picture, heterocyst is a thick walled enlarged cell, or they will be metabolically inactive. Heterocyst on return of favorable conditions and breaking of the heterocyst to release the हार्मोगोन्स टू फॉर्म द न्यू ट्राइकोम्स. जो हेट्रोसिस्ट है, हेट्रोसिस्ट फेवरेबल कंडीशन में क्या होता है, वहाँ पे जो ब्रेक साइड वाले सेल्स है वो ब्रेक हो जाते हैं और वहाँ से न्यू वेजिटेटिव सेल्स फॉर्म होने लगते हैं. सो दिस इज अबाउट द asexual reproduction in nostocs. Then next point is the economical importance of nostoc. So nostoc they are having different economical importance. First one, nitrogen fixation, biofertilizers, then it is used for land reclamation, symbiont, food and nitrogen fixation. So as you know, nitrogen fixation is the main importance of this nostoc. It will be fixed atmospheric nitrogen directly. The higher plants have depend on the soil for nitrogen metabolism, but the cyanobacteria like nostocs are having capacity to fix the atmospheric nitrogen. And then as a biofertilizers, uh, fertilizers is any substance which is added to the soil. So in field like the paddy or rice farm, the nostoc colonies कैन बी एडेड द बायोफर्टिलाइज. वो क्या करते हैं, वहाँ पे जो पैडी फार्म रहता है और राइस फार्म रहता है वहाँ पे जो बायोफर्टिलाइज़र का काम करते हैं. Then in the land reclamation, it is means the जो बैरन लैंड रहता है जहाँ पे कोई भी प्लांट्स वगैरह ग्रो नहीं होते, उस लैंड पे यदि नॉस्टॉक कॉलोनीज फॉर्म होती है तो दिस कॉलोनीज विल बी मल्टीप्लाई एंड दे विल बी इंक्रीजेस दिस फर्टिलिटी ऑफ दिस बैरन लैंड. तो जो वहाँ पे बैरन लैंड रहता है उसकी फर्टिलिटी बढ़ाने का काम ये नॉस्टॉक कॉलोनीज करती है. देन नेक्स्ट इज अबाउट द सिम्बायंट. That means there will be symbiosis with the or interrelationship with the different organisms like fungi. So they are symbiont with group of fungi and they will be important. They will be form the important association with the different plants like different groups like fungi or some other groups like gymnosperms or for example in cycas there is the corolide roots. On that there is association with the roots. Then next importance is as a food. So in countries like China, Brazil, they can use nostoc as a food. So these are the different economical importance of the nostoc plants. So on this topic there are many MCQs are asking in exam on the reproductions or classification or also on the structure of this nostoc. So I shortly give an idea about this nostoc genus. You have to read the notes and also follow the question bank so you can easily getting the idea about the exam. So now I stop here. Next video